Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. Today's adventure, we're taking a little day trip on the Taconic Crest Trail to visit the snow hole. Stick around, it's gonna be fun.
Trail register is about there-ish. We actually go almost to the Massachusetts border, then in through Vermont, back into New York to the snow hole.
Should be a good time.
Should be excellent.
As you're on the trail, there is a little junction off to the left and you get this amazing lookout over here. Check this out.
There's a little town down there. I'm not sure the camera can see it, but I can see it.
Oh man, so the trail to the snow hole is pretty straightforward and very well marked with these blue squares, the white diamonds on them. Those are the TCT trail markers, and the path is just awesome. This is great. There's the initial climb up out of the parking area is steep-ish, but really not too bad because it's over fairly quickly. Throughout the video, I'll introduce you to some of the new faces that you've seen. This is exciting and fun, and it's the first time that I've been out on the trail with some of these folks, even though I've known them for a very long time, so it's awesome. Yeah, hope you enjoy the video. How do you like that?
Oh, this is the Osprey Palco. It works pretty awesome. He's about like 30 pounds and it works really well. I got it off eBay for like 150, which is a really, really good price.
Nice.
Because they normally run pretty high. This is really nice. It's got a pretty large compartment. You can still fit a lot of stuff in there for your day trips and all your diapers and snacks and stuff like that. And up here is a sunshade actually that comes out and goes over them too.
That's awesome.
So that's really cool.
Cool. Caleb, do you like riding in the backpack? Mm-hmm. All right, thumbs up, dude.
We gotta wait for the parents. They're all the way back there.
There's water right in front of me.
Yeah, there's water right there.
Must mean you might be
We're in mud.
I see footprints. That looks big. Oh, this goes a loop. Whoopie, whoopie, whoop. And around the loop. It loops right around.
As you're walking, you come across a junction. It looks like it goes to the Shepherd's Well Trail. We're not taking that today, but that is another option if you want to kind of choose your own adventure. Come out here. But yeah, we're gonna keep going that way and hopefully hit the snow hole. We'll see how it goes.
so cool.
You're so far behind. This is fun, right?
Yep.
I just jumped over all the rocks.
Whoa. That looks like a huge crystal.
What?
This. Right there, that looks like a crystal, right?
Yeah.
It's so big. This is my foot compared to it.
All right, we made another junction with the Birch Brook Trail. Goes off that way. Pretty cool. That links to another trail called the Upper Loop Trail. So, what's interesting is I see a sign that says snow hole, 1.5 miles. That's a little different than the calculation that I got from the internet. So we'll see how this goes. This went from a 3.5 mile day to a 5.5, 6 mile day. Maybe. We'll see.
There was a little chipmunk.
Shh! Don't startle it. You never know what's going to happen.
This trail's pretty interesting. Not only did the signage say we have a bit further to go than planned, but we actually walked through Vermont. We're in Vermont right at this moment, and I think right around this trail bend, we're gonna hop back into New York. It's kind of cool. And we parked like a hop, skip, and a jump away from Massachusetts state border, so it's kind of cool. The Taconic Crest Trail is actually a 38 mile, I think, through hike that we can do. And spoiler, we're thinking about heading out and doing it in the fall. We'll see how it goes. Should be a good time. But yeah, still making our way to the snow hole. Right after you cross the Vermont state border back into New York, you kind of come out into this open field and you can see some views, which is really cool. I love it. There's no sign here, so it's kind of secret, I guess. There is a well-worn path. If you go off to the right here, you can see Bob and Chris are out that way. When you get to this junction, if you look around, you could actually see a sign that says Taconic Crest Trail, Route 2, 3 miles. That means we're 3 miles from the car right now. So once you get to this point, head off into the woods and you're almost there. Pretty exciting.
we found something. Oh yeah, this is the cave.
You do not want to fall down there. It's really big.
No, you don't. Whoa, that
Whoa,
is
you
deep.
see that, Caleb?
I found one with mushrooms.
I missed.
Wait, where's the snow hole? Come right here. You can see it best. What? Yeah, you can see it pretty cool.
All right, we are at the snow hole. We are going down into the crevasse. I think we were maybe, 20 feet, and it's already dropped 10 degrees maybe. This is awesome. It's a little slick. There's a lot of leaf litter on the ground, so you might slip, but as long as you're being careful, this is cool. Oh, wow. Oh, it's like 40 degrees right now. This is cool. Here we are at the snow hole, and yes, it is beginning of July, and this is snow. Pretty awesome. It is, I don't know, maybe 40 degrees out down here. It's awesome. It feels good after the heat of hiking. Look at that.
So I'm the only one up here currently, and there's some carvings.
What do you think about
There's
this
some
kind of cave, bud?
carved
It's pretty cool.
words. I don't know if you can tell what they
It's really
say,
deep though.
but I can't.
Yeah, and there's spiders in it. Go upstairs.
It's not very roomy. It's really high. Say hello.
Hello. You haven't been up there?
Yeah, a little. It's like, it's not very roomy. There is something down there that I see. It has like a little bit of firewood, I think. It looks funny,
Yeah,
but
that's where we were. That's where we looked
yeah,
at,
that's
Daddy, can I?
basically a tour of here.
Here we see the 80k Woods Walker coming out of hibernation. He's got a snowball with him. Somebody's gonna regret that.
You abominable snow jay.
We're all having some lunch and snacks and hanging out, playing with snowballs and just relaxing, having a good time. I want to introduce you to a few people, new faces that you haven't seen on the channel before. We've got Chris and Bob.
Hola.
These are friends of ours from a long, we've been friends for a very long time. Very long time. So it's nice to have them out on the trail. Thanks for coming out, guys.
Happy to be here.
Did you have a good time?
Yep.
Yeah. Everybody made it, so everybody's happy. You got Dan over there. He's oh, he's Dan.
Standard.
Hi.
He's a channel stand.
We got Miss Kylie,
Hello.
the beautiful Miss Chrissy. That's my wife. And John came. Oh, where's John? There's John.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up. Hey, John.
time.
Nice.
How's it going?
That's good. We have to tell us that story some other time.
Yeah.
But John actually brought some of his kids.
Yeah.
And we've got JR. Say hi, JR.
Hi.
Did you have a good time hiking today? Yeah, awesome.
What was your favorite part so far?
Whoa, extreme close up.
It was seeing the snow hole.
The snow hole? Yeah.
Here, Caleb, come over here.
And this little monster is Caleb.
Want to say hi? Say hi to the camera.
Did you have fun hiking today? Yeah? Awesome. Did you like the snow? It's pretty cool. So yeah, this was an awesome hike, and it's a little more than 3 miles, so just be aware. Depends on which maps you look at, I guess. So it'll be a 6-mile round trip, but 3 miles out from the parking area. Not too terribly bad. There's a few up sections and a few down sections, which means when we turn around and head back to the car, we're going to be walking uphill. I didn't forget, see?
Yeah, I'm so proud of you.
But it's awesome. The kids made it. Everybody made it. And this is cool. July, snow.
Snow
Wicked. All right, just a quick update. The trail around the snow hole is actually a loop. If you continue on the TCT, you'll actually come to a beautiful sign that says, hey, go to the right, and you go to the snow hole, and that's a quick jaunt down that little hill, and you get there. But we're on our way back now, so that's the way we're going. Yay!
Do you like that? What do you like about that tree?
That it got burned down.
I think it just got knocked down, right?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it just got knocked down.
Yeah.
Check this out. There are blueberry bushes along so much of this trail that if you were to come up here at the beginning of August, you would find a delectable treat just right here on the trail. That's awesome. Makes you want to come back up in a few weeks. I love wild blueberries. They are delicious. Fantastic.
We only got a mile and a half to go, right?
Dad hikes. We are making our way back, and probably, I don't know, maybe half a mile from the car, the kids have decided that they're tired. They've been tired for a bit now, which is respectable. The trail is, it's got a lot of up and downs. Nothing too terribly steep, but there's a lot of it, and their legs are kind of little. So even with the snacks and, you know, jokes and having a good time, they're done, which is all right. We've done really, really well, and we've promised them some ice cream when we get back to the car, so that'll be awesome. Heck, I'm even looking forward to ice cream. So it'll be a good capstone to a nice, beautiful July day in the woods with some awesome friends. We made it back to the trail register. We're all very warm and tired and want some ice cream, I think. So it's going to be a good afternoon. We had a great hike, I think. Everybody have fun? Did you guys have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was good. Chris, Bob, you guys had a good time?
It was great.
Yeah. See, we didn't break them. Maybe they'll come out again. Dan, you're not broken, right?
Never. I've done the trapped hike.
Ugh.
It was still dumb.
Yeah, it's totally dumb. So I hope you enjoyed the adventure. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you like outdoor adventure videos, gear chat, things like that, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Most importantly, I hope that we've inspired you to get outside and do something awesome. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.